kindergarten. How are you? Are you ready for work time? Okay, today we usually do journals. So I would like you, this is your last journal entry. Of course, you can use your journal all summer long because there's probably extra pages left in it, okay? So you can write and draw pictures about your summer and you can send them to me all summer long because I would love to see any work that you guys do. I always want to see your work because I just love you guys so much. So today I want you to write about something that was your favorite thing to do in kindergarten, or maybe something you learned this year. So in kindergarten this year, or you could think of a way to start your sentence. I liked when we did, you think about all the things that we did together. Mrs. Castellano starts naming all the things that we did together. My bucket might start leaking out of my eyeballs right now. So I'm not going to start doing that because I just started thinking about the Christmas pageant. I got a little, okay. But anyway, so back to work. So journal time, you are going to write something that you learned or something that your favorite thing you did in kindergarten this year with Mrs. Castellano and Mrs. Castellano, or maybe your friends. Maybe you just like playing on the playground. Okay. And I also want you, last week you wrote all of your letters in the uppercase form. This week I want you to write all of your letters in the lowercase form. And you can write in some sight words if you have some room. Okay, I saw Charlie P's last week and he had sight words on there. And I believe I saw Charlie B's too, one of the Charlies. So, Mary too. Mary sent me hers. Okay, kindergarten. Oh, Regan, did you send me yours too? Maybe I think you did. Okay, let's do our lowercase. Ready? Lowercase. I have my start paper here. Ready? You can write your name up here if you want to. Let's start. So, all lowercase. So, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Oh, I don't like it how that. I, J. Remember, J is a worm letter. K. Remember, the kicking action happens below the gate for the lowercase k. L, M. It is not easy to write upside down, kindergarten. N, O, P. P is another worm letter. Q is another worm letter. Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? I'm going to write out. I'm going to write in. That's the opposite. I'm going to write of. I'm going to write this. And this reminds me of the word is. And then it. On. I'm going to write my. There we go, kindergarten. So that's the two things you're going to do for your word work today. Also, you have your big red book, and you are welcome to do extra work in there if you want to. We still have a couple more pages in our cookbook. So let's take a look at that. Oh, we have 3 things to do today. Our cookbook, our let's review these. Let's cook. Cook. Taste. Fry. Slice. Stir. Mix. Strain. And toss. And now serve. Serve. I will learn to serve. Plating, Mrs. Castellano almost said planting. Plating food that is ready. Making sure it looks good. Holding platters very steady. Okay. I will learn to serve. Plating food that is ready. Making sure it looks good. Holding platter very steady. Serve. And our last page in our cookbook is eat. Eat. Right? That's the good part, eat. I will get to eat the meal that I prepare. I will be a good chef, creating meals to share. I will get to eat. Oh, look at that whole first line. The meal that I prepare. I will be a good chef, creating meals to share. Kindergarten, that's our cookbook. Our cookbook is done. Our cookbook is done. Okay, you ready for math? Okay, I'm going to start from the back, page 190. We're almost finished our math book. Okay. Circle the correct word. Ooh, so now we're looking for words. So let's take a look here. So this is a quarter, right? Do you see the word quarter? Get your lips ready. Quarter. Right, quarter. This is a nickel. I'm not going to circle it. I'm just telling you. Nickel. Which word says nickel? Which letter makes the sound n? Okay. This is a penny. Penny. And this is a dime. Dime. Okay? Circle the words. That's all you have to do in math today. And we'll do those 2 pages tomorrow. Unless you want to do them today, but I'm going to teach you how to do them tomorrow. Okay? Quarter, nickel, penny, dime. Quarter, nickel, penny, dime. 25 cents, 5 cents, 1 cent, and 10 cents. Okay, kindergarten. Let's find out what happens. We're getting so close. The night at dawn. We are on chapter 9. Do you think we're going to be able to finish this book before the end of the school year, which is tomorrow? Let me see. 10. Yeah, we will. Okay, kindergarten. Of course we will. I wouldn't leave you hanging. Chapter 9. Let's see. Remember what happened before? They ran out. Remember, they were in the moat. They got out, but it was like really dark and really foggy. They didn't know where to go. And all of a sudden, who came? Remember who came? Right, the knight. Chapter 9, Under the Moon. Jack froze. It's him, Annie whispered. The knight held out his gloved hand. Come on, Jack, Annie said. Where are you going? Asked Jack. He wants to help us, said Annie. How do you know? I can just tell, said Annie. Annie stepped towards the horse. The knight dismounted. Annie picked up Annie and put her on the back of the horse. Come on, Jack, she said. Jack moved slowly towards the knight. It was like a dream. The knight picked him up too. He placed him on the horse behind Annie. The knight got back on behind them. He slapped the reins, and the black horse cantered off beside the moonlit water of the moat. Jack rocked back and forth in the saddle. The wind blew his hair. He felt very brave and very powerful. He felt as if he could ride forever on this horse. With this mysterious night, over the ocean, over the world, and over the moon, a hawk shrieked in the darkness. There's the treehouse, said Annie. She pointed towards the Oh my goodness, Mrs. Castellano. She pointed toward the grove of trees. For a brief moment, Jack thought he saw the knight's armor gleaming on top of the hill behind the castle. The clouds covered the moon completely. A black mist swallowed the land. Oh. Mrs. Castellano skipped a page again. I did that yesterday. Oh my goodness. Okay. There's the treehouse, said Annie, and she pointed towards the grove of trees. So there's a picture. The knight steered the horse towards the trees. See, there it is, Annie said, pointing to the ladder. The knight brought his horse to a stop. He dismounted and helped Annie down. Thank you, sir, said Annie. Oh, what great manners she has. And she bowed. Then Jack said, thank you, he said, and he also bowed. The knight got back on his horse, and he raised his gloved hand, and he slapped the rein and rode off through the mist. Annie started up the tall ladder, and Jack followed. They climbed into the dark treehouse and looked out the window. The knight was riding towards the outer wall. They saw him go through the outer gate. Clouds started to cover the moon again. For a brief moment, Jack thought he saw the knight's armor gleaming on top of the hill beyond the castle. The clouds covered the moon completely, and a black mist swallowed the lamb. He's gone, whispered Annie. Jack shivered in his wet clothes and kept staring at the blackness. I'm cold, said Annie. Where's the Pennsylvania book? Jack heard Annie fumble in the darkness. He kept looking at the window. I think this is it, said Annie. I feel the silk bookmark. Jack, only half listening, he was hoping to see the knight's armor gleam again in the distance. Okay, I'm going to use this, said Annie, because I think it's the right one. Here goes. Okay, I'm pointing. I'm going to I wish we could go to Frog's Creek. Jack heard the wind begin to blow softly at first. I hope I pointed the right picture in the book, said Annie. What? Jack said, look at her. Right picture, right book. The treehouse began to rock. The wind got louder and louder. I hope it wasn't the dinosaur book, said Annie. Stop, said Jack, shouting at the treehouse. Too late. The tree started to spin. It was spinning and spinning. The wind was screaming. And suddenly, there was silence. Absolute silence. What do you think happened? Do you think it was the right book? Do you think they went back to Frog's Creek, Pennsylvania? Guess what? Mrs. Castellano is not going to read chapter 10 right now. You have to wait till tomorrow. But I will tell you something. It's the last chapter in the book. It's our last day of learning together. And it's the last chapter in the book. That worked out perfectly, didn't it, kindergarten? Okay, kindergarten. I hope that you have a good thinking Thursday. And I will see you tomorrow for Fantastic Friday.